Hello guys, it has been so long. It has been a minute. If you're new here, my name is Evelina and I do random things, as in like I don't have a specific content. Very random. A lot of things has changed in the past 4 to 5 years since I made a video. Rascal, come here. Rascal, come here. Come here, come here. Oh, say hi to the camera. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. If there's anything you guys would like to see, if you guys want me to do a Q&A, leave in the comment section down below. Hopefully this will be a relaxing little video, you know, a starter video for me to get back into this. So we'll be making a coffee sponge cake. I'm not really a huge coffee fan, but I've been craving coffee lately. Coffee makes me tired. I don't know if that happens to anybody else, and why is that a thing? Do you guys know? I will be following a recipe by Savor Easy. Literally the title is Coffee Sponge Cake That Melts in Your Mouth Recipe. Should come out like this. Does that not look yummy? Let's get going. Ooh. Oh shoot. It's been so long that I forgot my intro and my outro. You know, now looking at the recipe list, I do not have heavy cream, so I will be mixing milk and butter to make heavy cream. So we'll try that. Hopefully it works. 4 egg yolks and sugar. Let's get the egg yolks. By the way, does everyone have their fall decor out? Have you guys tried this candle by Mrs. Meyer's? Literally, this makes the house smell amazing. And if you have not tried Mrs. Meyer products, this is not sponsored. I recommend you try it. I don't know, should I make the full thing or should I make half? I'm gonna make the full portion. So we got 8 eggs. Separate. One down. I separated the egg whites and the yolk. I'm afraid when it comes to measurements, I can't eyeball anything because it'll be wrong. Alright, sugar. Wait and watch it again. 3/4. Half a cup. Then 1/4 cup. I'm going to mix. Half a cup of oil, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Half a cup. Cheers. This might not work, but we only have 2%. In she goes. If it annoys y'all that I keep looking at the instructions, I'm sorry, I just kind of want this to come out perfect. I really want to eat it. After 4 to 5 years, I still cannot bake chocolate chip cookies for the life of me. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in hot water. I will go boil some water. Hey Google.
Instant coffee from.
Do coffee grounds get moldy?
Here's a summary from the website dallasnews.com. Coffee grounds in storage tend to develop a green or blue-green fungus that looks like mold. In any case, moldy coffee is helpful to use directly in the garden, in a compost pile on interior potted plants.
Okay, I guess we all learned something. You know, I forgot when we got that, but we use the Keurig one, so we don't really use instant coffee too much. But, I mean, my mom sent these coffee packs, so we're just gonna use that. Have my little bowl down here. You know, I'm trying not to look at the viewfinder, I'm trying to look at the camera, so it's not awkward. We'll do 2 tablespoons. Some healthy coffee thing, I don't know what it is, but it should work because it's instant coffee. Perfect, that's already 2 tablespoons. I have hot water here in this cute little mug of us. You know, it may not be as strong of a coffee taste, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna pour that in here. It smells so good. Sifter. On the sifter it goes. I don't want to put the whole cup in there, so forgot that I had a measuring cup. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. 3/4. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder, not baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. See, if I guessed that, I would have put way too much. You don't want salty cake, do we? Let's y'all saw that was not just me. The lights have been going out since we moved. This is like the first house where the power goes out, and when power goes out, it freaks me out. Now we set that aside, and we're moving on to the egg whites. And the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Can somebody tell me what cream of tartar is? Actually, hey Google, what is cream of tartar?
According to Wikipedia, potassium bitartrate, also known as potassium hydrogen tartrate with formula KC hydrogen oxide, is a byproduct of winemaking. The resulting powdery acid can be used in baking or as a cleaning solution.
Thank you, Google. Let's whip her up. Look, safety. Okay. We're gonna do this for maybe, I'd say a couple minutes.
Just that.
He comes over in the middle of filming, asks me if I can make him something because he's hungry.
Just that. That's it.
Chicken wings?
Chicken wing, not like chicken macaroni.
Chilling with my homie. There is one thing I forgot. 3/4 cups of sugar, just like gradually. So, but a little bit at a time. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if that's ready yet. Ah, okay. A little bit more. Every time I do this, I never get it right. Fold in the meringue into 3 separate batches. So 1, 2, fold, not a whisk. Yep, I don't know. He usually had the same sheet. I'm so sorry. How did they do this so gracefully? Parchment paper in here, and we will pour the cake mixture into here. I'm going to taste it. Wow. Hey Google, what is 180 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
180 degrees Celsius is 356 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, this has been broken like this for a while, but at least this part works. So 356. So 15 to 20 minutes. Have fun in there. Good luck. See you in 15 minutes or 20. Let's do 18 minutes. Oh my gosh, my phone screen is 30. You know, okay, I'll do 18. I always like to do in between, so if it's like 15 to 20 minutes, I'll do like the middle. The cake is baking, and now we will be making the coffee cream cheese frosting. Oh yeah, I have to make that like heavy cream thing. So look how cute. There's no place like Nome. Anyways, I'm only gonna do about like 16 minutes, I think. Just, ooh, it's jiggly still. Never mind. I lied. It is still not done, so we'll put it for another like 5 minutes or so. Okay. I made the like, I would say heavy cream. 1.5 cup of, oh look at that. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Oh, Sid. Can you show everybody Sid? Sid? Oh, he's such a good boy. I love you, Rosk. That smells so good. Ooh, she's so jiggly though. What am I gonna do? Okay, now. Do I bake it for a little longer? Yeah, I will. Shall we? In the meantime, we have a slight bit of an issue. I do have normal whipped cream, but wait, I meant to say cream cheese. This is literally, I think, 1.5 cups. And that's what 1.5 cups is, and I'm just gonna use all of that. And there she goes. Oh, she toasting. So I'm making another batch of the coffee to put in the icing, or I should say frosting. I had to add a lot more powdered sugar just because of the fact that it did not whip up because I used the recipe milk and butter, and it says in bold letters not for whipping, and you know what I did? I made it. Now I will add the coffee. Make sure that she'll do. So I ended up baking the cake for 25 minutes. Came out good, super soft. We'll cut this in half and then we'll make 2 layers. Oh man. The bottom of the cake, no. This is so bad. It did not thicken up like I wanted it to. Oh, baby, yes. Oh gosh. Please don't mess up. Cross the wings. Presentation. Look at that. Milo. You're not getting any. Don't look at me like that. Ollie. Oh, stop it. Is the cake sliding? Honey! Yeah. Taste test.
I come.
Okay. Alright. This is or it's supposed to be coffee cake sponge. What? Cake coffee sponge. Coffee, one of those.
Hopefully it tastes better than your description of it.
No, that's what it is. Alright.
So just dig in?
Yep.
There you go.
Cheers.
That is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Really?
I forget how short you were, so I gotta like.
This is good. It doesn't have that strong coffee flavor because they use a different coffee.
You could probably eat this whole cake right now. It's so freaking good.
We're staying up all night because of this coffee. What time is it? 9:37. Thank you. Just because we're on camera, is it actually good?
You know I'm not gonna lie to people.
I don't think he would lie to you guys. If you guys want to try this cake, don't forget the link is in the description. I could even put all the the ingredients and stuff in the description box. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to keep posted on my videos. I don't have an outro yet for that. Yeah, so click that notification bell.
Nope.
Click that notification bell to keep updated with my videos. Go ahead.
It'll be right here, I think.
Here. We don't know yet. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!